Yeah, hello Ukudemian, all everybody. My name is Chris Park, and today in this video I welcome everybody. We're going to talk about something very important that I've been getting very many questions from my friends in my message box, that they want to learn how to use Yukusite, and they really get challenges whenever they try to access it, and they really don't know how to use it. So I guess this video is gonna answer every question, and by the end of the video you will have learned everything you need to know about Yukusite. So to start with this video, I want to show you some list I've made here. Excuse me. How to start writing articles with Yukusite, and I've made some agenda of what we're gonna look at today. We're gonna see the URL, which in other words is the address for Yukusite. Then we shall look at the exploration. Excuse me. We shall look at the exploration of Yukusite. We try to see different stuff on the interface, the first interface of Yukusite. Then we shall look at how to create an account with Udemy, because you will realize that for all our sites you use one account, and after getting that account you can access every site of Udemy, such as Yuku Wallet donation, Yukusite, Udemy, Yukusite poem, and everything. So we shall try to look at how to create a Yukusite. Then we shall create an array stroke category. Then you'll draft your first article. Then you learn how to write the text, do different formattings on the text, insert the image, insert external links, add the YouTube video, and all we shall see in one video. So we shall proofread, then we shall edit, and then publish. That's what we're gonna look at today. So after that list, what you do is that you go to your computer, with a Mac, whether using Mac, whether you're using Linux, whether you're using Windows. You just don't worry. You just go to your web browser, and mine is Firefox. You click on it like this, and if you click on it, it will open an interface like this. So you open a new tab, and first of all I wanna show you. We said we are gonna first have a look at the URL, which I want to first type here, and you see site.ukudemy.com. that is the site. So if you type that one, it takes you directly to the site, and that is Yukusite, where you're gonna start writing articles from. Very interesting. So if you don't want to first type, if you don't know, or if you have forgotten it, you can open a new tab, and you write here in the search, you write the word Yukusite like that, and then you enter. When you enter, you wait for the results, and the first result here, the blue one, will be for Yukusite. So you click on it like this. When you click on it, it will take you directly to the site, and this is how it looks. Yukusite, a place to find words that combine to educate, stories that matter, poems that touch human heart and stuff. So I think the first item is done, giving you the URL or the address of you to access for you to access what? The Yukusite. So this is the growth. Now we are trying to explore the Yukusite. You try to look at the growth, how many sites. There are 50 sites that have been created by different people. Then 317 articles so far written, 135 poems, then 69.75k for articles have been read, then even the poems. So excuse me, these are some of the latest articles that have been written by Yukusiters, people who write articles. So you see that different titles, and if somebody wants to click on one, you click on how to live like a movie star, a clarion call to boldness, how to make money from Yukusite as an author, and you will see they are very different. And so when you scroll down here, that's where you're going to find some article sites. So if you create a site, it will appear like this. It has what we call a site logo. That's the peak that represents your site. Then it has the heading, which is the 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 site title. You see there are different sites here, so you can look at different poems around, and that's the exploration. So you try to see useful articles that are really trending. These are the ones. So by clicking here and everything, you can go to poems and stuff. So that's how it looks like. That's how it looks like. So for you to create uh, an account with Udemy, it will help you to be able to access Yukusite every time you come to do what? To write an article. So before you even do anything, you first create an account with Udemy, and if you create an account, every time you come here, you will just log in. We shall see the login session. So, but before we go to sign up, because that means you're gonna create an account. Signing up or register or create an account mean the same thing. I want you to look at this icon. If you click on it, it brings different icons on internet. It brings different icons, and I want you to look at them. There is one for Udemy, there's one for Wallet, there's one for Yuku Village, there's one for Yukusite, Yuku Poem, Yuku Wallet donations, and then Udemy Vision and stuff. That's where you can find our applications, the ones we have created. So if you need, maybe you have something to do with keeping money and buying stuff online, you can use Yuku Wallet. You want your kids to study, there's Udemy there. Yukusite for writing poems, for writing for articles, poems. You can fundraise, we can build for you softwares and different stuff. So let me close it, and then we go to sign up and click it. That's our aim. After exploration of how the site looks like, so we go to sign up. That's creating an account. So you realize that here they give us this interface, and the interface has two alternatives of creating an account with Udemy. Let's create for you an account. You either register with Gmail. If you have Gmail already, you'll just click register with Gmail, so they will prompt you to put your email address, and after putting your email address, they'll bring you back to do what? To put a password for Udemy, and that's the easiest one. But I want to first take you through this long one, whereby you put your first name. For example, I want to put Prince, and then I say Tom, and then I put the email address. Now this one, before you do it, make sure you have an email address. If you don't have an email address, go and first create it somewhere, and then you will just come here and put it. You feed into this into this space. You just put your email address, and after putting there, you will check I am not robot, and then submit. So please go and first create the email address if you don't have it. If you have it, just put it here. But then first name and last name, these are names for Udemy. You are registering this account, and you are putting your first name as Prince and your last name as Tom. You understand? So here you say Prince. Already I have my Tom, and then 2021 at gmail.com. So from there you check I am not robot. And when you check I'm not robot, they'll tell you to select bicycles. There's this one, and I think they're over. These are cars. There's even this one. Yeah, so others are cars. So you verify. Yes, so it will say you are not a robot. You check this reCAPTCHA, so register, and after registration, what will happen? You wait for some time, depending on the. So People make mistakes. After submitting their details, they don't read the message, this message in green. Please, you have to read it. A link has been sent to your email account. Please follow the link in order to confirm your account and start learning today and living what you have learned. So they are telling you to go and check into your mailbox so that you can confirm your email. So you just go here and put Gmail. If you have a phone, you just check on your phone and then confirm from there. But here, let me use this, the one for PC. Oh, let me already, it's here. Already, it's here. Yes. Then you click on it. You click on this email. You click on it. Sorry. Yeah, sorry, my internet is disturbing me. But we shall move. Yeah. Yes. Welcome back. I had some problem with my internet, but sorry for that. Let's just continue. So we had read the message they had displayed that a link has been sent to your email and you had to go there and confirm it. So what you do is that you go to your email and then you check for the latest one. This is Abbott from Udemy. Hello Prince Tom, congratulations, you are now a Udemian. Can you please activate your account? So what you do, you click on this blue underlined word, the text, and if you click on it like this, they will take you to another interface whereby you have to put a password, and then that will mark the end of creation of the account. So what you do, let us use a password. Let me try to think about any password. Yes, then you have to enter it again, and then from there, now after putting the password, you have to check the currency. This one is helpful because remember, when you create an account with Udemy, you're going to start monetizing with our applications. So putting the currency in the country where you're in is a very good thing, because all the products you sell, be it course, be it an article, be it something, the currency that you will be seeing will be from your country. So here I'm in Uganda. Because I'm in Uganda, I'll put Ugandan shillings. You understand? So you have to read every prompt that comes, every message they display, every text. So they're telling you correct the past by stabilizing the future. Hello, activate your account by creating your password. You understand? And choosing the currency. So from there, you save the details. I can save in my computer. So you save the details. So they tell you, hello, your account has been successfully confirmed. Please sign in order to access your account, or go to home page. So what we want here is to sign in. You understand? But signing in where? We don't want to go to Udemy back. What we want is that we want to go to Yukusite. So you come to the icon I told you, you click on it, and then you click Yukusite, because that's our aim. We want to do what? We want to sign in here. So you click sign in. We have finished sign up. So we go to sign in. You see? So you click on sign in, and on sign in, what you do is that you put your details, the email address and the password, and then you check I'm not troubled. So what you do is that Prince Tom 2021 gmail@gmail.com. Then you put our password. After putting our password, then you check I'm not robot. I'm not robot is telling us choose tractors. This is a tractor, this is a tractor, this is a tractor. Which one else? There's nothing else. So after that, they tell us bicycles. There's this bicycle, 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 there's this bicycle. I think they are over. Then you verify. Then you sign in. You sign in and then wait for it. You wait, and it will take you to another interface. That means you will have signed in into Yukusite, and it will bring boom. It will bring this interface. Very, very beautiful interface that shows you different sites. Remember, when you're new, you come and have to explore some Yukusites to follow if you want some articles to appear in your feeds. You understand? So these are some of the sites. You can follow them. You can follow the cogitator. You can follow the notebook. You can follow different people. You can follow them. So we have followed two sites. We have followed the cogitator and then the notebook. So what you do now is you can click on articles to see your feeds, how they look like. But remember, on our agenda, after creating an account with Yukusite, then we create a Yukusite. So these are your feeds and these are how they look like. So you will try to read. If you want to read, you can read. You can save an article for later reading and stuff like that. So that's not our business. Our business is to try and create a Yukusite. So creating a Yukusite, there's a dark mode, sign out and stuff like that. We click on write. You see this write? When you click on write, you have to read everything that comes here. They're telling you that you don't have any site. Let's create one for you. And after creating a site, it will be a very good start for you to start writing articles. So this is the interface where you can create a site from. So first of all, they need a site name. What is a site name? This is the name of your entire Yukusite, whereby the different categories, all areas you create inside this site, they have to be related to that name. For example, you I can say this is Prince Tom Foundation. Prince Tom Foundation. So after creating that name, for example, somebody can create African writings, the white man is meal. All those are different interesting names that you can do it. You can put as site name. But after creating them, make sure that the categories are gonna come under that are coming under that site name. They have to be related to the name you have written. So Prince Tom Foundation is a foundation that deals in teachings. They have schools, they have gardens, but all of them teaching people how to do stuff. You understand? So that's why I've used that one. And they've given you a very beautiful editor that you can use to edit your work in case you have written something. So here, what you do is that you say Prince Tom. Here I will not stress myself to start writing because we don't have time. I can say here Lorem Ipsum. Lorem Ipsum is a site that helps you to get different text in case you want to catch up with time, or different words. Lorem Ipsum. Yes. So Lorem Ipsum, it will give you different paragraphs which you can use. So I did not want to write a lot, so I'm gonna use this one as my text that I'll put in as the description for our site. So I can copy it and come create our site, then you paste here. You can paste here. Now you see we have added the paragraph, and this is what we call a description, a site description. It describes what your site is going to talk about, what your site is, what you're going to focus. Then we have what we call a site path. A site path is something which somebody can use to access your site in case they're using it's like your address. If somebody says site.ukudemy.com/, they put now that site name. You see, it has already highlighted for me Princeton Foundation. I can leave that one, or you can put your name, or you can put anything, so long as it's easy for somebody to access, you understand, to access your site. So here you can, after there, you can do something on the text. You can say this is bold, you understand, and can even you highlight it like this, and then as you've been using Word and stuff. So that's how you can do, but we shall see a lot of formattings when you are looking at the articles themselves. So from there you can save your site. You can say boop, you save. So after saving like that, it will tell you that you will now be redirected to upload your site logo. So you wait for some time. So that it brings that interface where you can upload the site logo from. Yes, boom, it brings this interface. And when it brings this interface, it tells you, let's make sure your site is interesting with a logo. And a logo will appear on the top of your site. Every time somebody searches for your site, they'll see that logo or the site name. You see it's Princeton Foundation. You can edit it. If you click on this pen, you can click and edit the pic after the logo after putting it. A logo is a picture. So what you do is that you browse through your PC or your phone, and when you browse, let me look at my pics. I have some pics here. Pics. When you go to the pics, I have some interesting pic. Some interesting pic. Yes, maybe you want to put that. It will come here and it will tell you upload the site logo. Sweet. Then you upload. You click on upload. Now after uploading, the logo will come here, and you see it's very faster. The logo, if you want to change, you click on this pen, so it will take you back so that you browse through and then use another site logo. So, and that one is done. So after there, it will take you to an interface whereby you see site, you click on it, it has new area, it has number of areas, edit Yukusite, upload new site logo, and that's what we've been talking about. Then drafted, whether you have drafted articles or poems. So this one is very interesting. Why? Because after you creating an account and creating a site, it will mean that you can write poems, or you can even write articles at the same time using the same account and using the same details. So published, do you have published articles? How many are they? You will just click on them and see how many. So if you click, for example, let's click, it will tell you you don't have any published articles yet. So let's say new. No, this is new. This is when you're writing. You say new article, new poem. You understand? So every time you log in, you click on write, it will bring you to this interface, and this interface you will come here and create. But before you write an article, you have to create what we call an array. At least one. Because an array is like a category where you put your different articles. For example, you may find that if you're writing about medicine, you can categorize and say, I want to talk about medicine for kids. That is one article. I want to talk about medicine for old people, and then for elderly and stuff like that. You understand? So in Princeton, I want to create one array. So you say new array, And the new area, they ask you, is this category for general article or for poem? Mine is for general article. You click on it, and after clicking on it, you come and describe it. Yes, but before you describe it, you give it what? A name. So I will say primary one. Okay, yes, primary one. And then if I want to put some text here, I'll copy any text and put any text, copy, and then you put anything. You can start writing, but for me I don't have time. I wanna make sure this is okay. So you have put some text. You can describe it with pictures and stuff like that, everything. So there's what we call a summary. Okay, is what we call a summary. But a summary here is trying to summarize what you have written here in your what? Trying to summarize what you have written in the description. So you can say this area will focus on writings about primary content. So you can summarize, and after summarizing, the reason that's why I do this one is because I have Grammarly installed. So from there, you see you have created an array, and you will say save the array. Sweet. They will tell you a new article category has been created successfully. Okay, now after creating that successfully, you are going to write what? We are going on our last item, which is creating an article. Yes, creating an article. But let me first take you back before we do that. Creating an article. Switch to articles feeds. Now there is this print where you see your name here. When you click on it, it will take you to the feeds. So every time you come to the site and log in, it will take you to your feeds, and these are the feeds. Okay, whereby we have the reading list, we have the popular, we have the archives and stuff. Those ones I will explain later. There is this name of yours, whereby they tell you there is dark mode. Okay, there is author's page, but that one we shall write later. So there is this thing called write. You will click on it every time you come here. So they'll tell you that for you to write a new article, you click on new article, then new article. Okay, and after creating that one, remember you have an array. If you had created different categories, all arrays, when you click on this one, it will display them all so that you choose one before you write an article, because each article goes under a certain array. Okay, so our article here is going to be humanity. That's the title of the article. Okay, and then we are going to write our article, and I don't want to waste a lot of time. Let me steal this. Let me just copy this. Okay, then let's put that one here. So you realize that we have tried now to type. You'll type manually, or you'll first write somewhere and then you come and paste. So you realize that when you have a computer, what you do is that you can expand this. Okay, click on this button to expand, and it looks like this. Very interesting. Now what we are going to do, first of all, we want to do some formattings. So you will make sure this is the heading by clicking on styles, and then you say, not style, sorry, you click on heading, so that you put heading 1. You make it heading 1. You can make it heading 1. And let us try to insert here a pic. As we said that you can insert a pic, you can insert a link, and different. So the link we are going to insert here is my pic. Okay, so you come here, and let me give you a clue on how you can get pictures. You can take with your phone or with your cameras, or you can go to Pixabay, where you find free images that are not copyrighted. You click on the site, the Pixabay. When you click on it, it will bring different images. So they will bring different images, and because for us we are writing about school, you can write, you can put school, and when you click enter, it will bring different different stuff, and you can use that one in your you can use that one in your article. So school, everything. So you can choose. Let me choose this one for monk. No, for yeah. Let me choose maybe this one. This one is better. So you click on free download. Free download. You choose the quality, then you download. Okay. Yes. They tell you to save. You save. Poof. And after saving like that, the image will come. You wait for it to. Yeah, it's complete. Yes. So you go back to create article. And remember, we are going to put here our image. So if you want to put an image, you'll come and click on this icon, image. You click on it, it will prompt you to either put a URL if you have the image online, or you browse through in order to upload. So click on browse. Now browse will bring you to downloads. That's where I put our image. Where is the image? The image. The image. Oh, let's just use any image, because I'll waste a lot of time here. So open. Now the image you have gotten, it will come here. So they'll tell you can add, you can set it, but you couldn't remember has a default size for images. If you just put it without setting it, it can automatically work, and it will be a very good one. And remember, this image you first put in your article is the one that will be reflected if you try to share your link externally, maybe on YouTube, maybe on Facebook, on Twitter. The image you will see is the image that will be first in your article. So you can put different images, and you can say okay. You can say okay. Yeah, and this one will fill all the space. Will fill all the space. Sorry. So double click. Let me double click it and resize it. So you put a smaller width. Then yeah, the height is okay. Click OK. Internet. Sorry, let me take you through the whole process. This is what you do. You click on the icon, and then you browse through. When you browse through, it will take you to any image. Let us say a laptop. Then you click on it. It will bring like that. And if it comes there, you go and set advanced. You try to reduce the. Let us say this is 3:1, like that. You put a smaller ratio, that when it comes here, it's actually smaller, and it looks nice, like that. So you can edit it. You can edit it by double clicking, and if you double click, it will take you back, and you try to edit. So you can click OK. Now that's inserting the image. Let us say we want to put my link called Bomb YouTube's YouTube channel's link. So what you do, you can come to the link you want to put. I'm not robot everywhere. I'm not robot everywhere. I'm not robot, please. Yes. Vehicles. This is a vehicle. 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 Where else? Yes. Yes, you submit. So This one will take you to, you try to look for, no, don't sign in, try to yeah, bomb, yeah, bomb, and when you try to search for your bomb, it will come per automatic. This is the one. You can subscribe, but you click on it, and now you copy this link. Let me copy this link, copy the link, okay, or any other link, or Facebook, or anything, or to your Facebook page, or something. So this here bomb, you highlight it like this. After highlighting it, you click on this icon. It is the one that inserts a link. So sorry, you click on that that icon, then you paste that link there. When you paste the link, it will show that display text is your bomb. So you click OK, and when you click OK, you see it will become blue, showing that if somebody clicks on it, it will take them to the YouTube, you understand, or Facebook, you understand. So that's it. Then what else? We shall insert a YouTube video. As soon as, so you can put it anywhere. So you're going to insert a YouTube video, and the YouTube video is going to be exactly this one. Let us put this one. Let's put the one for, yes, let's put this video. Yeah, so the video is here. You click on the link, create. Now inserting a YouTube, you click on this article, sorry, on this icon. So they tell you that make responsive. Making responsive is a good thing because it responds according to the screen, you understand, with a phone or something. So you paste here the YouTube URL, paste, you understand, and from there you click OK. After making responsive, you ignore the liquid. Make a responsive show suggested video, no, don't show. Enable privacy, no. So you just make responsive and paste a link here. So you can say OK. Sorry. Already. I see. The YouTube video will be there. So it will be responsive even if the screen reduces and stuff like that. So from there you can reduce the screen. You see, it is responsive. It reduces according to the screen. So after all that one, you can put mathematics functions. You can put different things, fonts. You can change fonts. You can put color. You can change size and everything. You will give a summary that this was a test article showing people how to write an article, period. Okay, so from there you will save. Okay, but remember I told you first select the article, the category, which is an area. After selecting it, you put the article title, then you write the article, you insert everything we have inserted, and then you save. And when you save, you wait for it to save. Yes, so after submitting, this is how the article will look like, whereby you have the video, you have the title, this is the summary we had written down there, this is the video, and these are the pics, and this is the link. If you click on it, for example, to take you to the YouTube channel, and you see everything is dope. So here you can edit you go back and edit if you have made some mistakes after reading through. So after reading through, you publish, and when you publish, the article appears into the section of of the feeds of people who follow you, and that's it. That's it, bro. You can come and read the articles. You see, Princeton Foundation has been created, and we are very successful. You can check for your notification to see different notifications. They're saying Cogitator has published, the one you follow, and stuff like that. So that's it, bro. That's it. You can finish recording. Bye.